Imagine opening your WhatsApp and all your chats are gone. No messages, no photos, nothing. Scary, right? But if you had your iCloud backup on, we can bring everything back in a few minutes. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu here. You're watching Get Assist, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to recover and bring back all your WhatsApp messages on your WhatsApp using your iCloud backup on your iPhone. Just follow what I do on the screen. First, we need to make sure iCloud is ready, because without this, the restore won't work. Firstly, open up your iPhone settings, tap on your name on the top. Now tap on iCloud. Now tap on Save to iCloud and search for WhatsApp. Make sure your WhatsApp toggle is on. Now go back to your WhatsApp and go to your settings. Now tap on chats, then select chat backup, and here you can see your last backup date. If you can see a recent backup, then you're safe and we can restore your chats. After this, the first thing you need to delete your WhatsApp from your phone and then reinstall it from the App Store. Then open up your WhatsApp, tap on agree and continue. Enter your phone number which you use on this device you used earlier and which one you are recovering. Now you can see restore from iCloud option. So just tap on it and wait. This may take a few minutes, depends on the backup size. So do not close the app while restoring your chats. Once done, you can see all your chats are back on your app, and that's it. So if ever your chats got disappear, don't panic. Just follow these simple steps and make sure your iCloud is turned on, and you will retrieve all your chats which were gone earlier. And always check your WhatsApp's backup data once in a while. That one habit can save your years of chats. So that's all for now. If you find this video useful and informative, hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries if having any. And we have a playlist dedicated to WhatsApp troubleshooting. You can check it too. And what else? Subscribe to our channel, Get Assist, for more such content, tips, tricks, hacks, and I will see you in the next one.